Alright, Tesla fam, let's get straight to it. Today, I'm going to show you how to adjust your autopilot settings in your Tesla for a safer and more comfortable driving experience. Okay, guys? So, first things first, what you want to do is open your autopilot settings, okay? You want to start by tapping on the controls icon at the bottom of your touchscreen, okay? At the bottom, and then navigate to autopilot, all right? Now, I want you to adjust your following distance. Okay, basically here you can customize your following distance when using traffic aware cruise control. Okay, just select your preferred distance from the option, provided they're short, medium, or long. All right. Then what you want to do is you can set lane preferences. All right. You can also adjust how autopilot handles lane changes. Right. You can enable auto lane change to allow your Tesla, to change lanes automatically when it's safe. Or you can choose to manually initiate lane changes by using your turn signal. That is safer as well. If you want to do that, you can do that. And also what you can also do is enable or disable additional features. You can explore other settings such as smart summon and navigate on autopilot to enhance your autopilot experience. All right. Make sure to toggle them on or off according to your preferences. All right. And one thing, guys, you want to do is make sure you save your settings. Okay. Once you've made your adjustments, simply exit the menu and your settings will be saved automatically. And that's it. So go ahead, hit that link in the description to upgrade your ride even further. See you.